agriculture, mining, oil and gas, and electricity. The report also saying that the region's neutrality amid growing space rivalries is another plus, leaving Southeast Asia open for space friendshoring. The Global Space Technology Convention and Exhibition begins in Singapore today, putting the spotlight on how space is set to impact the global economy. This year's event brings some non-space industry sectors into the convention for the first time. We have Singapore Space and Technology's Director of Innovation, Nicolette. Nicolette, good to have you with us. So, first of all, tell us a little bit about this paper that you just published and the opportunities for Southeast Asia when it comes to the space economy.
Thank you so much for having me. I'm very happy to be diving in right from the heart of the Global Space Technology Convention and Exhibition, the GSTCE. Maybe I'll start with the report first. So this is the first comprehensive report on the Southeast Asia space ecosystem. And what we found is when we were doing this work with Deloitte is that the space opportunity in Southeast Asia is huge as there's tremendous potential to support the economy. We estimate that there is going to be $100 billion that can contribute to the Southeast Asia GDP